Hello, welcome to EF Capital TV. I'm your host, Wisdom King. Excited to be with you again. As Tesla, one of the major car producers in America, which is with a very viable stock, is still on the low presently. It has, for the last 3 months, the price has been plummeting down, going down. So today we are looking at if there's a way out on whether it should continue being that way. You may wonder why are we considering the stock price of this like this. I want to let you know that a greater percentage of the Nigerian population are having foreign stock on their board. They are having foreign stock on their portfolio. So we are definitely looking at or going to be considering those foreign stock that you may feel is not on the Nigerian Stock Exchange board, because most of us are in it. So why is a stock price of Tesla still low? Is it an opportunity to run out or to jump out? Is it still going to be like that? Is something to consider. But there's few things that will help us to know whether the decisions we are taking in terms of selling out the stock or running out of it is still proper. One of them is history record. With me in the studio today is Editor.
Thank you.
All right. So the issue of a stock price, when it has to do with Tesla, when it has to do with the Elon Musk stock price, it has to do with other major companies that people are trying to get their stocks from, like Amazon. A lot of Nigerians bought into Amazon stock, which presently has rose up. Amazon stock came up at the point when it was $18 per share, $18 only.
Really?
Yes, $18.
Somebody needs to know this.
at the point the stock rose from $18. This is the history that can help us understand if it is proper to run out of this present stock, which is Tesla. Tesla is an electric car manufacturer in the US right now. I think most of those brands have not really come to Nigeria yet, but it's
good
viable.
we know
It's good we know it. There's some things that you need to know before it comes to you.
Nigerians are everywhere.
Yeah, Nigerians are everywhere. So, and most of us are the ones that are anchoring the major productions or development in the Western world. So now, when you look at the stock price of Elon Musk, Amazon, which Jeff Bezos, starting as low as $18 per stock. Now it rolling down from 18 to $200 per stock. It went up to 300, it went up to 500, then up to about 600-700. You know what? All of a sudden, the stock started going back again from $700 per stock, per share value, till it went down to 300 again. It was an opportunity for people to start running out, selling out. And let me let us know something. There's no time that a stock will definitely remain steady or will not shake to go down. That's why when you look at the forex market, you see the market going
Like
up,
crypto.
like crypto, like FX, a currency
FX
pair.
market.
You'll be going up, will be going down, be going up, will be going down.
That's for people that are trading.
For that trading the
actually
currency pace.
understand
That's how the market is. That's how it is. So even when you are buying the stock properly, maybe you are buying a particular company into a company like a Tesla, you don't expect the market to keep going on, or every morning you just go and look your eyes. That's why we have 5 streams of 5 foundational patterns of income, which we keep talking about as being welfare, being employment, being selling, being asset, being investment. Now, investments, you don't put money into an investment portfolio and expect it to bring it out for you in the next 6 months.
Investment, I think, is just like a lifetime something that will keep giving you interest.
Lifetime investment that will keep giving you some. In fact, when you are making an investment, consider the investment to yield for you, like in the duration of 5 years.
5 years.
10 years.
Some people feel that investment should give them profit in the next 6 months.
No, that's
Ponzi.
It is actually business wrong.
Yes,
it is actually business wrong.
We don't consider that to be an investment.
Come out from that. Retract that investment, and come down to assets. Are you hearing me? come down to asset. If you
You know
want,
that it's
if
a
you want it,
lifetime
if you want it 6 months, if you want it 6 months, come down to asset. Forget about the money being investment. If you want it 3 months, bring it down from asset
What kind
to
of
selling.
asset
You're talking about house. House can give you, maybe you complete the house, they start giving you profit.
That's when you complete the house.
When you complete the house, of course, it's expected that if it was 100 million, you should finish the house in some period and start getting back. But when it comes to investment, like maybe in the structure of stock, which stock presently is the best kind of a asset to buy or investment to buy? Now, you should expect it to take you for like 5 years, 10 years, because
5 years above.
5 years above. That's the structure for investment. Now look at this man called Warren Buffett. Warren Buffett got into Coca-Cola years back, as far back. Presently it's up to about 50 years or more now, or 60 years now. If I'm not really look at the data, but in that range. Now, when he put into Coca-Cola, it was not in any way surface. It wasn't in any way meaningful as an investment. But he bought a big deal of that stock. Presently, Warren Buffett is one of the richest men in the world because of buying and holding for years. For years. So when you want to buy into a company maybe like Tesla, don't buy it and think that in the next 6 months if it goes down. No, that is not.
That means you can actually use your spare money.
You can when you are buying into investment, it should be spare money you are going with into it. If it is not ready, and if you're not ready to go for it as an investment money, put the money into selling. Go to market, buy goods, sell, make profits. That money is giving you immediate profit. If it is not okay like that, take the money into asset. That's why we have different plans or different foundations on which income comes to you. Either it is employment, you can also put the money that you don't want to use into yourself, as in building yourself as employment. But outside of that, if you want to talk about investment, like in the stock price we are looking at right now, please give yourself time.
Just like when Bitcoin
came out, yeah, it was an investment.
A lot of people lose confidence. A lot of people feel that it's not working.
Sold it out. But now, 10 years down the lane, what has happened?
That's a clear
thousands of dollars
way of using how investment
works. That is how investment works. Please, entrepreneur, please, if you are into any of the stock price, stock product or stock market assets that you are buying into, keep calm and know that definitely it will push forward. So if you have bought, because I know that a lot of people have bought into Tesla stock price, Tesla stock, don't feel that it's 753, 758, it's going down. It has moved down from when it was 1,000 something. No, it is not. That's the structure of stock, and definitely it will produce back. It will push itself. People are targeting this stock price to go up to 2,000.
It's possible.
3,000. Then you will definitely get there. So please don't chicken out and don't lose mind and don't lose your concerning. That's how far we can go on today's business breakout session.
Thanks for staying with us.
The stock price. Please, thanks for staying with us. Please don't forget to share the video with someone you don't know who it might help. Like and share our videos. Thank you very much.